Hello. Uh, Today we'll be doing another Codechef problem, that is shuffling parities of the Codechef long challenge. And this problem states that chef is an array consisting of n positive integers. Chef shuffles the arrays A and creates a new array B of length n, where B of I is equals to A of I plus I mod 2 for every I which is less than n, and we need to find the maximum possible sum of integers of array B if chef shuffles the array A optimally. So we will be given t number of test cases, and each test cases contain two input lines. First line contains n, the array size, and then contains the array, and we need to print the maximum sum of integers of the array B. So let's take an example of your, let's say n is equals to 3 and the array is 2, 4, 5. So let's see here. So we have n is equals to 3 and 2, 4, 5. So let's say we have 2, 4 and 5. This is the number we are having here, and we need to place this array in such a way that it is given in the question here that my a of I plus I mod 2 for each I is maximum. So the way I approached this problem was to simply check the even and odd positions here. So let's try the position here. So we have 1, 2 and 3. So let's say that if we have an even number at an even position, so let's say this is an even number and it's at even position. So 4 plus 2 is 6. So 6 mod 2 is equals to 0. So this is my remainder here. So if we put a 0 here, and this will give us 1, this will give us 0. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 by 2 is 1. So that is why I've written 1 here. And this is 0 here, as we did. 4 plus 2 divided by 2. 5 plus 3, 8. And then we will divide it by 2 again. And mind you, we are always dividing this integer by mod 2. So this is what we will get here. So let's get to how I approached this problem here. We are taking every number which is a even number here and positioning it an odd number. And if there is an odd number, we are positioning it at an even place. That means if I have a number, let's say 2, 4 and 5, so 1, 2 and 3. Say suppose if I have an even number, that is 2, I will position it at an odd position, and if I have a number that is odd, I will position them at an even position so as to get a maximum mod value. So let's see how we get that. So let's say this number here is 2 here, so this is at correct position, and then we go here and we see, as I told you, a even number should be placed at an odd position. So I will place them, this 5 here and this 4 here and this 2 here. So 4 plus 3 is 7, and 2 divided by 7, that is 7 on 2. This will give me a remainder of 1. So I will get this value as 1 here, and also this value as 1 here, and this value as 1 here. So my maximum sum will be generated, which will be equals to 3 here. So I simply just check how many number of numbers that I have, and how many odd numbers I have, and how many even numbers I have, and I just place the odd numbers at the even positions and the even numbers at the odd positions, and we'll get our answer there. And if you want to see the code, you can go ahead and check it. If you don't want to check the code, so you can leave a like in the video and leave. Thank you. And let's get to the code for the ones who want to check the code out. So this is the code here. I simply took how many even positions I have and how many odd positions I have, and I check how many even numbers I have in my array and how many odd numbers I have in my array. And I just simply took the E, that is my even number of counts, and odd, that is how many positions that I have for odd. So I will take the minimum of that, that is the minimum number of even numbers that I can place at my of places, and the minimum of O, that is my odd numbers in my array. And where I can place them, I can place them on my even number of positions. So let's say if I have here 2, 4, and 5. So if as I can see here, I have taken O, that is my odd numbers. How many odd numbers do I have here? So I have one odd number here and one odd number here. So I have two odd numbers. And how many even positions do I have? I have only one even positions. So what will be my number? I can only place one even odd number here. So that is why I'm taking minimum of O and even. And I'll simply just add the number of mini e and mini o, that is my minimum of both the things here, and I'll get my answer. And that was it for this code, and this is an accepted solution. Thank you for watching.